Hey there. I just wanted to talk about one of the big benefits of the ISAConnect membership. I know a lot of writers come to the site for the writing gigs and submit to those. But there's another benefit with the screenplay waivers. We give 4 of them out per year on February 1st, May 1st, August 1st, and November 1st. And you usually get 10 days to submit. But they have a tremendous value. And we get asked, like, why would you give the free contest entries out? The reason is because submitting to competitions is a great way to gauge your work in the industry. Okay? If you submit to a competition and you don't do well in that competition, you don't place as a quarterfinalist, then that's a sign that you need to do more work, right? So if you place, great. If you make it to the semifinalists or top 10, obviously that's wonderful. And you did that potentially for free. We've had contest waiver entries come in, and those people, those writers have won our competitions or fellowship, etc. So there's value in that. But the biggest value, again, is about getting the industry, getting a gauge as to how the industry is perceiving your work. And if you're not getting quarterfinalists in a competition, you're not ready. Your script is not ready, okay? You have to, hopefully, if you're here listening to this video, you trust the ISA. Our readers come from the top companies in the world. They come from Disney to Amazon, Netflix, etc. And our readers are trained to, their main goal is to find great screenplays, but they're also trained to give great notes. If you're not placing in a competition, then your script just isn't ready. And it's a very competitive industry, so don't you want to make sure that your script is ready? Well, we try to make it really affordable and give you that tool to submit to competitions without having to spend a fortune of money. Now, I'd always encourage you to submit to additional contests, and more than anything, I would encourage you to get feedback. Now, stay within your budget. Keep it as cheap as you possibly can within what you can afford, but don't submit different drafts to a bunch of different competitions, or just simply submit to the one free one through the ISA membership, the ISAConnect membership, on those dates, and then wait and see how it comes back. If it's not coming back with a win or a placement, then again, the script is not ready. And even a placement doesn't mean it's ready in this very competitive industry. So the point is that we're trying to give tools and a means to submitting to competitions and using the industry, readers, our readers, to help you know if your script truly is on the right path. So again, if you can afford feedback, get feedback, submit to multiple competitions at the same time, utilize the free one that's saving you $50, and you're already paid for through an ISAConnect membership, to gauge how your script is being perceived in the industry. If it's doing well, awesome. Then submit to a lot bigger competitions and keep getting it out there. Along the way, I'd always encourage, get feedback. Don't resist getting feedback. I've been working on a screenplay with my writing partner for a couple years, and under a pen name, I've submitted to other competitions, not the ISA competitions, and have seen our script come back in and get quarterfinals or nothing, right? But if I don't get the feedback, how am I supposed to know what it is that's missing for them? And if I submitted to 3 competitions and 2 of them get quarterfinals and 1 of them doesn't, okay, well, I can kind of ignore the one. Maybe they're just not interested, or I caught a reader on a bad day. That's fine. But what you can do is then take the notes from the 2 quarterfinalists, implement those, possibly get an update into the system like our site does allow for ISAConnect members, where you can update your draft and then get that draft submitted to the next round, potentially. It just depends upon if it's been moved forward enough or not. But the point is, use competitions and the free ones in your ISAConnect membership to move you step by step through the process, checking with the industry, seeing how you're rating, getting notes, doing the rewrites, and then using the next free contest entry to move it forward even further. If you submit in February with the free contest entry, you're going to get your script back or know where it places somewhere before the next one. And then if ideally you've gotten notes, you could be doing the rewrite and knowing, all right, well, the notes came back with some clear positive suggestions, and that's, I'm going to need a rewrite. Let's be honest. You always need to be reworking your work, right? Or tightening your work. I had somebody say this to me the other day, that screenplays are a living, breathing document. And until you're shooting, until you're filming, it's not done evolving. It's like children, right? They grow each year, and with each polish, your script is going to get better and better, get tighter and tighter, and be more exciting for producers, agents, and managers to look at. So use the free contest entries. Use that as a means to save money. Then, if you can afford to, get notes. When they come in, do the polish, submit to the next free competition. And again, try to follow the cycle. I promise you that with reputable companies, we are looking for polished work. We're looking for great screenplays. If your screenplay is ready, we'll mention it. We'll get you into the quarterfinals, and you'll move into semifinals if it's at that next level. So enjoy that as an additional benefit. I hope you are enjoying the ISAConnect membership and you're submitting to gigs. I'll send out some more tips on how to benefit you, the screenwriter, with our ISAConnect membership. Save yourself money and try to utilize the tools that the ISA offers as a means to breaking in.